Hi friends, this video contains the quiz solutions of third quiz 3 based on decimal fractions. So let's move forward, and this is the first question. The last digit in the decimal representation of 1 by 5 whole power 2000 is. So we can say 1 by 5 means it is 0.2 whole power 2000. 2000 can be written as so many things, so let me write this as 0.2 square is 0.04. So the decimal last digit in the decimal representation is 4, and 0.2 or 4 is 4 4s are 16 will come, so last digit is 6. So this can be written in this way: 0.2 into 2000 can be written as 0.2 power 4 into 500. So for any power of 4, the unit digit will be 6 only. Okay, you can go further also. For example, 0.2 power 8. So it should be maybe 4 into 4 or 4 into 6. Anything with this will give us power 6. I mean unit digit as 6 only. So the answer would be 6. Next question. So this is second question. Yeah. 0.2 into 0.2, that will be 0.04 plus 0.0501. So that will be 0.05 into 0.1 into 0.1 is 0.01 plus 0.02. So it will be 0.03. Then what is this? This whole power minus, not whole power, the power minus 1 is only for this. You can see the brackets also clearly. It is only for this. Okay, now how can we write this? 0.05 divided by 0.03, so which can be written as 5 by 3 directly. So the answer would be 5 by 3. The next question would be, yes, this is the question. So this is simple. Let us see. 3.63 whole square minus 2.37 whole square is divided by 6. 6 means you can see it is this 3.63 plus 2.37, which can be written as a square minus b square divided by a plus b. So a plus b into a minus b divided by a plus b. So it will be a plus b will get cancelled, and a minus b will be remaining. So what is a minus b? 3.63 minus 2.37, then 3 6. So 5 minus 3 is 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. It is 1.26. So the answer would be 1.26. It's very simple. Let's move on to the next question. This is the fourth question. So Vishal donates blood twice in 2 years, 350 ml each time. How many liters of blood will he donate in 6 years? So in 6 years there is a span of 3 into 2 years, but he will donate for 2 years. He will donate twice, so it will be 2 in 2, and for each time he will donate 350 ml. So it will be divided by 1000, because this is milliliter but we want in liters, so 1000, that's all, which is equal to this will get cancelled. 35 into 2 is 70. Okay, 70 into 3 is 210 divided by 100, so it will be 2.1 liter. Okay, but I'm extremely sorry, I committed a mistake while giving the problem. So here it should be thrice. Okay, I have written as wrongly as twice, but it should be thrice. If it is thrice, what will happen? You just see 3 into, for each 2 years he has given thrice, and it will be 350. So it will be, should be for liters, that's all. So it will be 9 into 35 by 100. So 9 into 35, 9 5s are 9 5s are 45, 4 5, 9 3s are 27, so it is 31, 31 by 100. So the answer would be 3.15 liter. So here 3.15 liter is the correct answer if the question is correct, but as the question is wrong, I am extremely sorry. According to this question, the answer is 2.1 liter, but according to the question I need to ask, the answer is 3.15 liter. Thank you so much, and let's move on to the next question. Yeah, this is the next question. Yeah. So according to this, we can say that the first one is 0.34575757 and so on. So it will be 0.3457 bar. Plus second one is 0.134343 and so on. So it should be 0.1343 bar. So according to the definition, how we need to write this into vulgar fraction? First we need to write the all digits after the decimal 3457, and then we need to write the non-repeating digits, that is 34, divided by, we need to write the number of repeated nines, that means repeated digits are 2. Okay, I need to write 2 nines. Non-repeated digits are 2, so I need to write 2 zeros. Simply. Plus here also I need to write this 1343 minus non-repeating number is 13 divided by 9. So this is repeating numbers. So there are two repeating numbers 4 3, so 2 nines have to come, and non-repeating digits are also 2, so it will be 2 zeros. That's all. Okay, now it's very easy. So it is 3 4, it's 3 and it's 2 divided by 9900 plus it is 1330 divided by 9900, which is equal to 3578, sorry 4750 divided by 9900. This can be written as 4801 minus 48 divided by 9900, which is equal to 0 point, according to the same principle I am writing, it is 0.4801 bar. So this is the answer. Okay, I am extremely sorry, I somehow misled these answers, so the answers are not correct. So this is the correct answer, you can correct it, 0.4801 bar. Let's move on to the next question. Yeah. So this is the question, 99.97 square is equal minus, so let me write it, 99.75 square minus 2250.0625. So what is the answer? So let me directly do it, 99.75 into 99.75. So don't worry about these things, you can just multiply it as it is and you will get, make it fast. Let me please observe here how I will do it. 5 into 5 is 25, 5 into 5 is 25, 2 is carry and this is 5, 5 into 5 7 are 35, 3 7 and 5 9s are 45, 3 48, 4 8, 5 9s are 45, 4 49, 7 5s are 35, 3 5, 7 7s are 49 and 52, 5 2, 7 9s are 63 and 63, 65, 68, 6 and 8, 6. So 7 9s are 63 and 8, 71. Next 9 5s are 45, 9 7s are 63, so 63 plus 4 67, 6 and 7 Next 9 nines are 81. 81. Yes. So let us solve this directly. Okay. 99.75 into 99.75. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. 2 it is 37. 7 and 3 is carry. 5 9s are 45. So 48. So 8 4 is carry, and 5 9s are 45 and 4. Yeah, so it is 49,875. 7 5s are 35. uh, so you can directly multiply these two. Yeah, so now it will be 5. 7 and 5 is 12. It is 10 and 16. After that it is 9 and 1 is 10, and it is 7 and 8 is 15. 5 20, and it is 30. So 3 0. So now again 3 and 7 10. 17. 17 plus 6 is 26, plus 4 is 30. 3 0. So 10, 19, 25. So it is 2 and 5. So it is 19 and 1 and 9, and it is 9. That's all. Now we need to put the decimal. So actually now we need to mark the decimal. Actually here there are two decimal points, and here also there are two decimal points. So 2 plus 2, we have 4 decimal points. So 1 2 3 4. So I need to place decimal here. Now it's very simple. So place here one below the another, so that you can get the answer very easily. 9950.0625, 2250.0625. So it will be 0.00000077. So 7,700 is the answer. So this is the answer. Okay, very simple. So little patience should be there, that's all. Let's move on to the next question. So this is the next question. So solve 3 by 5 of 4 by 7 of 5 by 12 of 1015. So this is the question. Okay, now we can deal with it. Yeah, 5 is there, so I can cut 5 in 2 0 3 times. Next 3 4s are 12, and this is also 12. That's all. Now it is 5 into 203 by 7. So 7 ones are 7 2s are 14, and it is 63. So 7 9s are 63. So which is equal to 5 9s are 4 5, and 5 2s are 10, and it is 4. So it is 145 is the. So the answer would be 145. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following fraction is the largest? 3 by 2, 7 by 3, 5 by 4, and 7 by 2. So we can say 3 by 2 is simply 1.5, and 7 by 3 means it is 2.33. 5 by 4 is 1.25, and 7 by 3 is 3.5. So obviously 7 by 2 is the largest fraction. So this is the answer. So if you convert these things into decimal fraction, it's very easy to locate which one is the largest one. Simply. So let's move on to the next question. The numerator of the fraction is decreased by 25%, and the denominator is increased by 250%. If the resultant fraction is 6 by 5, then the original fraction is. Okay, it's very interesting question. So we have original numerator and original denominator, but now it has been changed to the numerator is decreased by 25%. So 25% means 25 by 100 into n, but it is decreased by this one, so it should be n minus 25 by 100 into n divided by. So what happened to denominator? So denominator is increased by 250%. That means n plus 250% increment into sorry. It is denominator. Yeah. So it's denominator. So d plus 250 by 100 into d, which is equal to, it has been given as 6 by 5. So it is 6 and it is 5. So which implies 100 minus 25, so it should be 75 by 100 into numerator divided by, which it is 100 plus 250. So this would be 350 by 100 into denominator. So let me write numerator and denominator only, and 100 will get cancelled. So now what will be the numerator and denominator? Therefore numerator and denominator is equal to 350 into 6 by 75 into 5. So now we can deal with it. 25 threes are, so 25 ones are 25 and it is 100, so 4 times, and 3 ones are 3 twos are. So it is simply 28 by 5 is the answer. 28 by 5 is the answer. That's all. Let's move on to the next question, and this is the last question, 10th one. 15 5 by 9th of a number is equal to 25% of the second number. 5 by 9th of a number is equal to 25% of the second number. Let me call first number is x and second number is y. The second number is equal to 1/4 of the third number. Second number is y and it is equal to 1/4 of the third number. The value of the third number is 2960. So Z has been given as 2960. Find 30% of the first number. So we need to find 30% of the first number. So this is the question framing. So now let us see. Z equal to 2960, it has been given, so I can find out y here into 2960. So 4 sevens are 28, 16, so 4 fours are and 0, 740. So y is equal to 740, which is equal to, I can place y here, so this is also 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 740, which is equal to 4 ones are 34, sorry, 4 ones are 4, so 3 is the remaining, so it is 34. 34 means 4 nines are 36, so 4 eights are 32 and 20 is remaining, so 5 will come. So which implies x is equal to 185 into 9 by, so the value of x would be 333. So now we need to substitute here. It will be, so it is simply 0.3 into x is equal to 0.3 into 333. So this will be equal to 99.9. So this is the answer, 99.9. So thank you so much. So I have committed 2 mistakes while giving the questions. I am extremely sorry. So these are the answers for the all questions. So if you have any doubts, you can simply put in the comment box, and please kindly like this video, and please write the comment box whether you like it or you whatever, maybe if any problems are there, you just type in the comment box so that I can proceed further by changing the, by incorporating those comments. Thank you so much, and please share the video and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.